Have you noticed that a common strategy of politicians to substantiate a point is to refer to people they've talked in the public? Like if I'm from the government, I'd say, I've talked to so many people who are happy with the way things are going. Or if I'm from the opposition, I was talking to this lady yesterday and she said she's very frustrated with the way the economy is going. And I talked to someone else who was very unhappy, etc. I want to refer to an interview with a politician from the Netherlands. His name is Geert Wilders, and he used the strategy of having talked to someone in the public. I'm not talking politics here, or even if I agree or disagree with him in general or in that interview. I do want to refer to something very funny he said. People often say children say funny things. He said a very funny thing in this interview, and this point I'm referring to is at 5 minutes and 55 seconds. I'll put a link in the description to this actual YouTube. And remember, it's easy to remember 555, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. He said he was at a hamburger place in the country. He says, I will not mention the name of that restaurant. And as the server handed me my Big Mac, she told me that ... and mentioned what she had to say. That's very funny. I'm letting you in on a secret. There's a city in the USA I want to visit. I will not mention the name of that city, except that when I'm there, I want to see the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz. Thanks all for watching, and remember, it's at 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Talk soon.